This is a summary of how this soap is made in the factory.
Have you ever wondered how Lux soap is made inside a massive modern factory? Today, we're going behind the scenes to see the
Speed
full
steady, quality looks
process
good.
from start to finish.
Agreed. Keep monitoring
What
the
looks
feed.
like a simple bar
Will
of
do.
soap
All clear here.
actually begins with a carefully controlled industrial formula. Every ingredient must be measured precisely to keep the texture, fragrance, and quality consistent. The process begins when oils and other materials are prepared for large-scale mixing. Inside these huge systems, the first stage of soap formation starts to take shape. At this point, it does not yet look like the smooth soap bars you see in stores. It begins as a heavy soap base that still needs drying, refining, and shaping. Next comes moisture control, one of the most important stages in the entire production line. If the soap is too wet, it will not hold shape properly later on. If it is too dry, it can crack or become difficult to refine. That is why factories carefully control texture before moving to the next step. After drying, the soap enters refining machines that smooth and improve the texture. This is where the rough soap base begins to look much more uniform and premium. Now the formula becomes more attractive, more balanced, and ready for finishing ingredients. Fragrance is then added to give the soap its signature beauty scent. Color and finishing ingredients are blended in so every bar looks identical. The factory must spread these ingredients evenly through the entire soap mass. Next, the refined soap is pushed through a plotter or extrusion machine. This powerful machine compresses the soap and forms it into a long, continuous log. This stage also removes trapped air and improves the density of each future bar. Now for one of the most satisfying parts, the cutting stage. The long log is sliced into equal pieces at high speed and perfect timing. Each piece must match the same size and weight before moving forward. After cutting, the soap pieces move toward the stamping and shaping section. This is the stage where plain blocks become real branded beauty bars. Powerful presses shape the bars, smooth the edges, and create the final, elegant form. In seconds, each simple block is transformed into a polished, finished soap bar. Some bars are also marked with branding to complete the final product look. Before packaging, every bar is checked for consistency and appearance. The factory looks for the right weight, shape, surface quality, and finish. Only the bars that meet the standard continue to the wrapping line. Now the final stage begins, fast and efficient packaging for shipment. Each bar is sealed, grouped, and prepared for stores and supermarkets. What started as raw materials has now become a finished beauty product ready for millions of homes. And that is how Lux Style Beauty Soap is produced inside a modern factory from start to finish.
Keep watching.